Hi, Jeff Haradine, Barletta Boats, and I'm here today on my personal Lusso Series 25-foot Meridian-Lounge, and I want to just tell you a little bit about why my wife and I absolutely love this boat for our family and friends. We've had the opportunity over years at Barletta to own several different of our floor plans, and of course, the Ultra Lounge models are fantastic. They are still our most popular seller, and for good reason. You've got just great loungeability out of the back of the boat, particularly when our daughters were teenagers. The girls would absolutely just flock to that Ultra Lounge. But we have found, as they are now young adults, we're entertaining more as adults. And so there's a little less lounging on the boat and more upright seating, more of that kind of upright entertaining, and oftentimes more people on the boat. And so we believe the Meridian accommodates people a little bit better. We can get more people comfortably on the boat, in our opinion. Jamie and I, we may have a cup of coffee early in the morning. Lounging out the back of the boat is absolutely wonderful. You have a fantastic lounge chair here and a fantastic lounge chair on the other side. So when the rear seats are not in the lounge position, they have two great rear-facing seats out the back, and so those are perfect if you got any cigar smokers in the group, or maybe there's just a couple of guys in the group that are kind of loud and noisy like my friends are. We'll throw them on the back of the boat. As we find more and more people getting onto the boat and the group's getting bigger throughout the day, this boat starts to behave very much like a full wraparound seating boat, kind of like our QCs. And so you've got great bench seating down the side here. This particular seat is fantastic. Somebody can kind of nest into the corner here very comfortably. And so you've got a great seating group for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, and still have two great seats off the back, and then all the bow lounge room. Last but not least, if you really need to stretch the entertainment room on this boat, these rear seats become forward-facing lounges. And again, it's great for a lot of people. If you got the fireworks for the 4th of July and you're just piling people onto the boat, really, really nice for that. Like several of our models, we have a fantastic club chair here on the port side of the boat for the co-captain. It's got a great forward-facing seat. The armrest articulates up and down, so standalone forward-facing seat, very comfortable. But it's also nice because you can flip that around and lounge toward the rear. It's great if you're maybe pulling tubes or you got some kids off the back of the boat swimming. And then of course, because the arm articulates up and down, you can kind of throw your legs around to the side and face directly toward the captain. So we love everything about how that goes 270 degrees in a really nice way. And then of course, it folds all the way in to a great forward-facing lounge if you're just really in chill mode and you want to lounge forward-facing on a little lake cruise. Try as we might, I'm not sure that there's such thing as a perfect boat. A great boat for you and your family will depend so much on how you use it, where you use it, how many people you're going to have out on it during an afternoon. But I hope you can see why the Meridian Lounge has been a fantastic one for me and my family. We absolutely love this thing. So go check one out at a dealer near you soon. We'll see you on the water.